What if you could master any new skill, from coding to photography, in half the time, completely for free? In this video, you will learn the exact prompts to turn ChatGPT into your ultimate personal tutor. Let us be honest. Learning something new is hard. Traditional classes are expensive, online courses can be boring, and books do not answer your specific questions when you get stuck. But you do not need to spend thousands of dollars on a personal coach. With the right strategy, free artificial intelligence tools can build you a custom, step-by-step learning plan tailored to your exact schedule and learning style. Today, I am going to show you a simple 4-step system to turn free AI into your own world-class tutor. Step 1 is setting up your tutor's personality. If you just ask AI to teach you coding, it will give you a generic, overwhelming list of topics. Instead, you need to use a role-playing prompt. Tell the AI exactly who it is and how you want it to teach you. For example, you can type, "You are an expert teacher who specializes in making complex topics simple. Use analogies, keep your explanations brief, and ask me questions after each point to make sure I understand. Do you understand your role?" This simple prompt changes everything. The AI stops acting like a search engine and starts acting like a patient, interactive mentor who adapts to your pace. Step 2 is creating your custom curriculum. This is where we tailor the learning to your busy life. You need to give the AI your constraints. Tell it how much time you have, what your goal is, and your current level. Try a prompt like this: "I am a complete beginner who wants to learn digital photography. I have only 30 minutes a day for the next 4 weeks. Create a daily learning plan for me. Focus on practical exercises I can do with my smartphone." The AI will instantly generate a highly structured, day-by-day plan. If a day looks too hard or too easy, just tell the AI to adjust it. You have total control. Step 3 is using the Feynman technique. This is a famous learning method where you explain a concept in simple terms to see if you truly understand it. AI is the perfect tool for this. Once the AI explains a concept to you, tell it, "Now, I am going to explain this concept back to you in my own words. Correct any mistakes I make and tell me what I missed." This forces your brain to actively process the information rather than just reading it passively. It is the single fastest way to make new knowledge stick. Step 4 is interactive testing and troubleshooting. Do not just study. You need to practice and get feedback. You can ask the AI to create custom quizzes for you. Just say, "Give me a multiple-choice quiz about the lesson we just covered." Do not give me the answers until I respond. If you are learning a practical skill like coding or writing, you can paste your work directly into the AI and ask, "What did I do wrong here, and how can I improve?" It will highlight your errors and explain how to fix them in seconds. By using these 4 steps, you are not just reading information. You are actively learning, testing yourself, and getting instant feedback. This is the exact formula for rapid skill acquisition. Now, it is your turn. Pick one skill you have always wanted to learn. Go to ChatGPT or any free AI tool, use the prompts we discussed today, and start your journey. If you found these tips helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more practical AI guides. Drop a comment below and let me know what skill you are going to master first. Thank you for watching, and happy learning.